Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment, and today assignment is related to Samnet chapter 1. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just starting opening. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today assignment, we will discuss Excel 2021 skill approach chapter 1 challenges yourself 1 to 3 Samnet. That is the name of today's assignment. We just make that change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss this assignment step by step, and you may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Last 3 points are non-graded ones. So we have 16 questions in today's assignment. Well, let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. But remember that we are solving Excel 2021 skill approach chapter 1 challenges yourself 1 to 3 Samnet. It's a Samnet assignment, and name you may also see from here. Excel 2021 skill approach chapter 1 to change challenge yourself 1 to 3, and here's the course name. So we just highlight that one in different ways so you can easily get. Now we are going toward graded part. Challenge yourself 1 to 3. Here is instruction about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. So in this project you will complete a timesheet for brain gels similar to the one you work on in skill review 1-to-1. You will need to enter and format missing dates, correct a data entry mistake, apply number format, and enter formula to calculate the total billable hours per day, the daily total for each day, and the bill total for a week. So we just make that highlight. Okay, so that was just a simply instruction about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. So we have to read that one so we get idea about our file. Okay, now we are moving toward the skills that we will cover in today project. Skill need to complete this project. Okay, so in today project we will just work on working in protected view, navigate a workbook, then entering and editing textbook text and number in cells, then inserting data using autofill, then entering dates, applying dates formats, then calculating totals with quick analysis tool, then applying number format, understanding absolute and relative reference. Then we will able to solve entering simple formula using the recommended charts features, export chart, then previewing and printing a worksheet. So all these skill will be covered in today project. Okay, now we are moving forward, and here is important note. So we just, if you are a Canadian user, be sure to verify that your browser and Microsoft Office same country setting. Okay, Okay, now we are moving toward graded part. After solving all non-graded parts step by step, remember that we are solving Excel 2021 skill approach chapter 1 challenges yourself 1 to 3 Samnit. We just discuss the name, then challenge yourself 1 to 3 instruction, then we just discuss the skill needed to complete this project. After that, now we are moving toward graded part, and in graded part we have 16 questions as we saw early in start of the video. Okay, mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Okay, so in first part we have to open a start file with this name. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name, then change the file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Now in start we have to open our solution file. We call solution file or start file. Okay, so first of all we will open our solution file, or we just call that start file. It is just getting opening. Yes, click on enable editing. Okay, now you may see our name is automatically come here. Okay, then in next part, so first part is done. In first part we have to open our start file. The file will be renamed automatically to include our name. Okay, now we are moving to our next part. If file open in protected view, then enable editing to so you can make changes to the workbook. Yes, we have also done the second part. Okay, so question number 1, question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. If necessary, scroll to the bottom of the worksheet so you can see the empty timesheet beginning on row 17. Now we have to move toward down there, and we may see that empty row is start from here from row 17. Okay, then in next part in question number 4, what we have to do, the dates are missing from timesheet. Enter this date in B18. Okay, where is B18? First we have to write here B18, press enter. Here date is missing, and what date we have to in? We have to in this date. So we just write 8/1/2002. Here we write the date 8/1/2022. Press enter. Okay, then so question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we have to in the dates 8/1/2022 in cell B18. We have in that and we get this result. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 5. Use autofit fill to complete the dates in cell C18 to H18. C18 to H18 we have to use autofill. Means we drag this one there. Yes. Now you may see date automatically change according to the day. Okay. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to use autofill to complete the dates in cell C18 to H18. We have done and we get this result. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Change the dates format B18 to H18 to date format similar to 14 March. Okay, now we have to change that format to 14 March like. So we just select this one, already they are selected. Okay, so from here we have to change format of date. So open this one and there our format of date, and there is that format is there 14 March. We have to select this one, press OK. So that will be there. Okay, now you may see. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to change the date format for cell B18 to H18 to date format similar to 14 March. We have done that one. Okay. So same way we will solve question number 7. In question number 7, what we have to do, we just simply discuss the question number 7. The hours reported for protected client on Friday cell F22 are incorrect. Then change the number in cell F22 to 5. Okay. So we just move towards cell F22 and there our number is incorrect. So we have to change that to 5. Then in question number 8, we use quick analysis tool to enter total hours for each day. So use cell B19 to H22. The daily total should be inserted in the range B23 to H23. Here we have to in total, daily total. Okay. So in this way we will solve question number 7, 8, and same way we will solve question number 9 up to question number 16, because we have 16 question in graded part. Last 3 question are non-graded one. In first part we have to save and close the workbook. Then in part 18 we have to upload and save your project file. Then in part 19 we have to submit for grading. So all 3 part are non-graded one from here. Okay. So question number, we have done our today assignment. Almost half of assignment we have discussed. And there in graded part we have 16 questions, and we have done first 8 to 9 questions in today video. Mean half of assignment is done from our side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given number, on my given WhatsApp number, given email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact. I am available, I will solve, and you will get A grade 100% marks. Remember that. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. Remember that I am also expert of Power BI, Tableau. So you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour. Remember that it's a biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from scammer, and your result will be A grade 100% marks, and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 2021 skill approaches. Chapter 1, challenges yourself, 1 to 3, examine it. In start we cover all non-graded part, and we have discussed the name, then we have discussed the challenges, then we have discussed it, just like we have discussed a skill that we need to cover this assignment. After that, then we move to graded part, and in graded part we have 16 questions, and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have solved first 8 questions out of 16. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. If you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. I am available, I will solve, and you will get A grade 100% marks. Now I'm just going to leave assignment here. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.